3 tips to picking the correct air filter for your furnace or air conditioning. First, consider the MERV rating or the amount of filtration you will achieve. The MERV rating number should be printed on every air filter. The higher the number, the more filtration you will achieve. The lower the number, the less filtration. Don't automatically pick the highest rated filtration, as it may reduce the airflow too much and it may damage your equipment. Pick a middle of the road for most consumers. Typically, the numbers are between 8 and 13 for the MERV ratings. Next, pick the appropriate size. This goes without saying that the right size filter is a must. However, I've seen people shove the wrong size air filtration filter into their equipment for the furnace or air conditioning, and this leaves unsightly gaps, and the air simply escapes around the filter and not filtering at all and damaging the equipment over time. Third, frequency of replacement. It depends on your usage. If you are someone who keeps the fan filter on the on position, you would need to replace your air filters more often, or if it's on the auto feature, you can replace them less often. Typically, if you have a high density 4 to 6 inch filter, you can replace them once a year. It is a good idea to label them to remember when they were replaced last. When you are replacing the filters, it's a good opportunity to wipe down and clean the inside of the furnace blower area and the furnace compartment. When installing the new air filters, always remember to place the airflow arrow in the correct location, and that is pointing towards the equipment, towards the furnace or air handler. For air conditioners, always place the air filter arrow towards the equipment.